Hello, designers. Hello. For your next mission, you will collaborate in teams of 3 to create a wardrobe fit for a queen. The victors of the last mission will have the honor of selecting their team members to design for the one and only Davina Bennett. Your mini collection must comprise of formal wear, business wear, and a choice between casual and swimwear. Each team will have a budget of $17,000 for fabric at Pablo's and $3,500 for trimmings at Trimming World. You will have 8 hours to complete this mission, and then it's catwalk time. So let's choose our teams.
I don't like working in groups. I like working by myself.
I don't think I'm a group challenge person. I don't think I'm a group person.
Yo, I'm out. Your favorite Caribbean designer TV series is back, and the winner is going to Paris. This is Mission Catwalk Season 7. 13 designers from Barbados, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, Antigua, and the Bahamas will compete for the chance of a lifetime. 3 designers will have a final runway showdown, but only one will make it to Paris Fashion Week. Over $4 million in cash and prizes to be won. Who will complete this mission? Who will rule the catwalk? So let's choose our teams. Aaron, who's your first pick? Akilio?
Monique.
Tara?
I say.
Aaron, who's your second pick? Akilio, who's your second pick?
Nobody. Lanisha.
Okay, I'll see you on the catwalk. Good luck.
A little bit of cleavage.
Seeing quite a few asymmetric stuff.
And she appreciates wide range of fashion. So limiting.
No, she's not limited at all.
I like this.
Well, what color this girl is really well. But what she won the crown with.
She had on the silver dress.
Whatever, she won the competition and we could base it on that.
I was thinking Lanisha for the business outfit, the form. If you, because you're really good with structure. What would you choose if you?
I can understand the business wear because I love making a good jacket.
Okay.
And I haven't made a jacket yet. That's just it.
So many, you know, we mostly do gown. We mostly do gown, so you'd want to do a gown.
We could use yellow as the base, but whatever complements your evening gown, and whatever complements your formal, I think I know you will come up with something.
I don't know much about this beauty queen.
Davina Bennett.
I know there's an afro.
So when the others kind of reacted, I was just lost. But then I saw a couple of pictures of her. She's a beauty queen or so, Miss Universe. But I don't really know much about the pageant world like that, so it's not necessarily, I'm not versed on her.
I'm going for flowers, botanicals.
I think this work with the lines.
Yeah.
I like this.
I think that's perfect.
I still prefer the other one we finish.
That is perfect.
As I always say, communication is key. So I had to have a little discussion with my group leader and we resolved the issue because at first the design wasn't really mine. And I say anything for go on and I get kicked out of the competition. I'm not get kicked out of that design way.
I went in there with the decision to get certain fabric, but when we got there, it was just 1 yard and change of the fabric, which was supposed to make a really nice sleeve. And that would be cut in like a circle thing, but it can only cut like one circle and we need 2.
And I've worked with it before.
I can use put floor or leaf. I can use
Which is, I think, somewhere between there.
We're working with what the color is.
Let's look at the color first.
We came up with a name. First it was Goddess in the Sun, but Davina Bennett, I think she's kind of popular for using yellow, so we wanted to kind of shy away from the typical. So we decided to go with black and white. So it's actually Midnight Goddess. So we wanted to show more structural details, clean lines with black and white, and just to create a bold, clean look for the collection.
2 yards for this layer, 4 yards for this layer, and from the 6.
Hey! What's the budget of go across, you know?
Like just
2 yards.
yeah, that is enough to give me enough to do the
Basically, it's 1 o'clock.
right. So like 2,000 from the budget already, and then this I wouldn't need much of this. I would say 1 of this, and then the share. Our group is the strongest, I think, because in our group we each one of us won a challenge. But that don't mean nothing.
One day, set your one day. What's a pencil and borrow?
Probably 2.5.
2 yards for the pants.
Yeah. Oh, it's not going to be too wide.
2 yards for the pants.
2 yards.
How much money is it?
2.5 just in case, but then I think I'll need more for
But
the
it's
top,
cheap.
so probably 3.
This is cheap. So about
3.5, 4.
by 4 yards.
5, 4.
When I get the challenge, I already envision what I want to do, so I know what to go and get one time. So I would finish in Pablo's and in Trimmins will be for everybody, and it annoys me when I look around and still see people still shopping for this and that. And I saw Monique was crying today in Pablo's because she didn't get a trimming. Okay, then get it. Look for something else.
$1,000? Yeah. We just need it there. Just need it at the waist.